Welcome students to our science class of class 6. Dear student, we know that all living organisms need food. It provides us energy, protect us from diseases and infections, and repair the old tissues and build the new ones. Today we shall read about the components of food, which is the chapter 2 of your class 6 science book. Dear students, you must be observed that our meals usually have at least one item made of some kind of grain. Other items could be a dal or a dish of meat and vegetables. Sometimes we include items like curd, butter, milk, and pickles. The ingredients are used to prepare the dishes. These ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called as nutrients. What do different food items contains? So, what are nutrients? The components of foods which provide us energy needed for growth and repair of our body and protect our body from diseases are called nutrients. What are the major nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals are the major nutrients. In addition, food contains dietary fibers and water. What do various nutrients do for our body? Food components are grouped into three classes. They are energy giving food. The carbohydrates and fats are energy giving food. Body building food. The proteins are body building food. Protective food. Vitamins and minerals are protective foods. First of all, we shall discuss about the energy giving foods. What are energy giving foods? Foods containing carbohydrates and fats provides energy to our body. So, they are called as energy giving food. Carbohydrates. What are the sources of carbohydrates? Grains such as rice, wheat, bajra, maize, sagu, sugarcane, sugar, beet. Fruits like papaya, banana, mango, melon, potato, and sweet potato are the sources of carbohydrates. Look at the pictures of some sources of carbohydrates. Sweet potato, sugarcane, papaya, melon, mango, maize, bajra, rice, and wheat. These are the sources of carbohydrates. What are the functions of carbohydrates? Carbohydrates mainly provide energy to our body. The main carbohydrates found in our food are in the form of starch and sugars. There are many types of carbohydrates. What is the second energy giving food? The fats. Fats are obtained from both plant sources and animal sources. What are the plant sources of fats? Groundnuts, nuts, teal, soybean oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil. And what are the animal sources of fats? Meat, fish, eggs, ghee, milk, butter, and cream. Look at the pictures of some plant sources of fats. Sunflower oil, mustard oil, coconut oil, soybean oil, teal, nuts, and groundnut are the plant sources of fats. Look at the pictures of animal sources of fats. Meat, fish, eggs, butter, cream, milk, and ghee are the animal sources of fats. What are the functions of fats? Fats also provide us energy. Fats give much more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. Dear students, now we shall discuss about the bodybuilding food. As you know, the proteins are called as bodybuilding foods. Then what are the sources of proteins? Proteins also came from the plant sources and animal sources. What are the plant sources? Gram, moong, tur dal, beans, soybeans, peas are the plant sources of proteins. What are the animal sources of proteins? Meat, fish, paneer, eggs, and milk are the animal sources of proteins. Then, what are the functions of proteins? Proteins are required for the growth and repair of our body. It helps in building new tissues. Proteins are a part of our body and help in proper functioning of our body. Dear students, in the next class we shall learn about the protective foods. Thank you.